Hello and welcome to Community Roundup.
The 44th Annual Convention of the American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, or AAPI, held in Tampa, Florida, brought together thousands of physicians, healthcare leaders, researchers, and community members from across the United States. While the convention featured outstanding scientific sessions, cultural programs, and leadership meetings, it also marked several historic milestones that will help shape AAPI future for years to come. One of the convention's most significant announcements was the official launch of the AAPI Global Foundation, a new initiative designed to expand AAPI impact beyond professional networking by focusing on innovation, education, humanitarian service, research, and measurable global healthcare initiatives. Addressing the gathering, immediate past President Dr. Amit Chakrabarti described the foundation as the realization of a shared vision built through the collective efforts of AAPI members. He reminded delegates that the foundation is not about one individual, but about ensuring that AAPI remains strong, relevant, and prepared to address the healthcare challenges and opportunities of the future. Former chairman of the AAPI Board of Trustees, Dr. Lokesh Edara, described the foundation as much more than another non-profit organization. The foundation's first chairman, Dr. Jagdish Gupta, demonstrated his commitment by announcing a $1 lakh donation to support cancer prevention initiatives. He explained that the foundation had been created as a project-oriented organization focused on transforming innovative ideas into impactful programs with measurable global outcomes. Dr. Gupta also highlighted how the new foundation will complement AAPI's existing charitable initiatives.
We came here for the AAPI conference in Tampa, which was from July 2nd to 5th, and it was a great conference. And my husband Sanmukh Puhani won the AAPI talent competition in the instrumental part. He played a wonderful song on flute, and he'll talk about it.
Yeah, I played flute on a very popular song, Damadam Mast Kalandar, which is sung by legendary singer Muna Laila, and I played it on flute. And I won the first prize in instrumental.
For the participants, it was a great national talent show with AAPI, and the conference was very good. Great ambience, lovely people, great food, and got to meet a lot of good people. And thank you TV Asia, and thank you all the vendors for conducting such a wonderful symposium and conference.
We are here in the beautiful city of Tampa for the AAPI, which is the American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, annual convention.
We are happy to represent AAPI here, and we have been members of AAPI for over 10 years. At least I have been a member of over 10 years. We are also involved in the local chapter, now very involved in the national AAPI, and we participated in this competition, AAPI Got Talent, and we won.
We are happy to announce that this is, a yearly tradition in AAPI that the AAPI president, Dr. Amit Chakrabarti, started over 15 years ago. It's called AAPI Got Talent, where physicians from around the country come and perform. They either do dances, they sing songs, you can do poetry, you can play instruments, and then through serious judging and different sort of levels, the winners get selected. So we are happy to announce that we danced on a song from the movie Dev Das called Dola Re Dola, and we came out to be first place winners.
Well, it's time for a short break. Stay tuned.